It is time. Welcome back to this channel, and today's topic is how to meditate, and this will be shown by DJ Khaled. And here is the video on how to meditate.
Get comfortable, and if you can, close your eyes. This meditation is about blessings, but first, let's breathe. Take a long inhale and let it go. Release whatever it is you're holding on to, and whatever that might be holding you back, just let it go. One more time, let it go. And inhale and release. Blessings to win, to be great, but we must be grateful. Gratitude is a choice. Will you choose to be great? Will you choose to win? And put your game face on. A clean heart, a clean soul, a clean face. Keep your face clean. In gratitude lies our blessings. Embrace it. When you show your best self, you become your blessed self. And a bless you is a blessing for others. Choose to win, choose to be great. Be the blessed you, and that's the best you. Be grateful and be well. Live well, love well, and bless well.
Wow. Thank you, DJ Khaled. This is a very helpful video. I recommend you to try this and share this video to help someone somewhere. Please subscribe to this channel and see you on my next video. And don't forget to check on DJ Khaled's new songs.